Kick it with Joe.
Okay. So, tell me, what would Batman wear when going for an evening run? What would the Dark Knight be rocking when trying to stay fit? You know what I mean? I'll let you think about it. What it do, fam? My name is Joe, and this is Kick It with Joe. And today we talking the Adidas Night Jogger. Let's get it. Initially inspired by the classic 1970s running model that was the first reflective running shoe in the industry, made for people running at night. The Night Jogger blends the needs of the modern day road runners with a progressive design element. In other words, it's good for running at night and it looks snazzy. Is snazzy still a word? Are we doing snazzy or fresh? Nah, snazzy. And it looks snazzy. That's the Night Jogger. Ah! Here we go. So there you have it, fam. That is the Night Jogger. As you can see, a very sleek Adidas shoe. Very nice, you know, inspired obviously by the 1970s. You can see this is like a running sneaker. It's a runner, but it's oh so sexy. As you can see here, from the midsole, it's boost. The Night Jogger is not to be messed with. Yeah, so as you can see, the sole, it still has that boost in there that keeps it very comfortable. The material is very nice. As you can see on top, it's like a Flyknit material, but obviously not Flyknit because Flyknit is Nikes, and this is like an Adidas equivalent to that. It's like nice, breathable, it's soft, you know. You can feel like it's there where your foot bends, right here, and you won't see any crease marks, you know. You won't see any stretch or wrinkles. My guys, we call it wrinkles. You know, when your sneaker bends there or makes those lines there, those are the wrinkles. That shows how old your sneaker is getting. With a Night Jogger, you won't have that problem. So it has like suede as well on the tongue here, exposed tongue as well. People say it's the Off-White that started this exposed tongue, but obviously Adidas has been doing it for years, and Nike as well with the Blazer. But this is nice. The laces are prime, you know, you can feel the quality. The undersole is just a nice design. Look at that design. That it is fresh. As you can see, we have the 3M material right here at the heel. So this panel right here is to help you pull up or push in your heel rather when you're putting on the shoe. So that's a nice design that they did there. Some suede highlights everywhere. As you can see, a nice gray suede. This colorway for me is one of the best Night Jogger colorways. There's a smoothness to this one. I bet you any girl's mama would be proud to have a son-in-law or a daughter-in-law, matter of fact, that rocks a Night Jogger. Am I talking shit? I don't know. You can try it out. It worked for me. Nah, I'm lying. I'm kidding.
Kick it.
So, let me know what you think about the Night Jogger. If you a stylish individual, you know, an influential individual, you know, a fresh brother or sister, you know, if you a hype beast, mswanko, a sneakerhead, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to follow me as well. That's the Average Joe on Instagram and Twitter. Just come around there and I'll follow you right back. So, like a newborn baby out of a vaginal canal, I am out. Peace.